Hello, welcome to Jobs and Careers Telangana Flash News 24/7. RGNAU admission notification. Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University admission notification. There are two courses in this bachelor's course and PG diploma for which admission notification is released. First one is BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. Eligibility for this is intermediate with maths or business stats as one of the subjects with minimum 50% marks and 5% relaxation for SC/ST candidates, whereas for PG diploma course eligibility is degree with minimum 55% marks and an entrance examination will be conducted on all India basis at specified centers on 16th August. Application is through online. It started on 29th June and will end on 29th July. And before we go into the details of this notification, those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Tap on the bell icon after you subscribe to get instant updates to your mobile. First one is BMS. For this course, eligibility is 10+2 with maths or business stats or business maths as one of the subjects, and application is through online. Entrance examination will be conducted on 16th August for both the courses except for eligibility and age limit. Rest all are the same. There are 96 seats in this, 2 sections, and selection through OMR based entrance examination which will be conducted on 16th August on all India basis at specified centers, and selection is through marks secured in the entrance examination, and fee is 950 for general and OBC candidates, whereas for SC/ST is 475 through online only. Fee payment through online only, and online submission of application started on 29th June and will end on 29th July. Uploading of admit card 3rd August and date of entrance examination 16th August. Declaration of result 21st August. This is about BMS course. And next one is PG diploma. PG diploma in airport operations. This is a 18 months course. In this 12 months classroom training will be there, and the next 6 months internship at GMR airports. In this also there are 96 seats and 2 sections, and eligibility is degree in any discipline with minimum 55% marks and 5% relaxation for SC/ST candidates. Selection is through entrance examination which will be held on 16th August at specified centers on all India basis, and selection is through marks secured in the entrance examination. Online submission of application, rest all are the same dates. Application fee is 950 for general and OBC candidates and 475 for SC/ST candidates. Okay, this is about the admission notification for bachelor's and PG diploma courses in RGNAU. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel to get instant updates to your mobile. Click on the bell icon. Tap on the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.